Imagine waking up, you grab your phone, not to check emails, but to see what your AI assistant has been up to. It has already scanned your inbox, prioritized important messages, and even drafted responses to some. Need to schedule a meeting? Your AI assistant has found a time that works for everyone and sent out the invites. Before you even finish breakfast, your AI assistant has compiled a news briefing tailored to your interests, reminded you about your dentist appointment, and ordered groceries based on your dwindling fridge supplies. This is life with an autonomous AI agent. Efficient, personalized, and surprisingly liberating. Welcome to the future. Autonomous AI agents are intelligent programs that can perform tasks without direct human intervention. They are designed to understand your goals and preferences. They then use this knowledge to complete tasks and even make decisions on your behalf. Think of them as highly capable digital assistants, always working in the background to make your life smoother. A prime example of an autonomous AI agent is AutoGPT. AutoGPT can access and process information from the real world through Google search and keep track of its actions and experiences. This lets it learn and improve over time, becoming even more helpful and efficient. Other notable examples include Baby AGI and Agent GPT. These agents showcase the rapid progress in AI autonomy. They highlight the potential for these technologies to revolutionize how we live and work. Why are AI agents creating such a buzz right now? Several factors have converged to make this the perfect time for AI agents to flourish. Advancements in artificial intelligence, particularly in natural language processing and machine learning, have enabled AI agents to understand and respond to human requests with remarkable accuracy. The increasing availability of powerful computing resources has also played a crucial role. AI agents require significant computational power to operate effectively, and cloud computing has made this power more accessible and affordable. Finally, our lives are becoming increasingly digital, with a constant stream of information and tasks to manage. AI agents offer a solution to this digital overload, promising to streamline our lives and free up our time for more meaningful pursuits. Let's say you're planning a trip to Italy. It's a dream destination for many, with its rich history, stunning architecture, and mouth-watering cuisine. But planning such a trip can be overwhelming. Instead of spending hours researching flights, hotels, and things to do, you can simply tell your AI agent, plan a 10-day trip to Italy, focusing on historical sites and local cuisine. This way, you save time and effort. The AI agent will get to work immediately. It uses advanced algorithms to sift through countless options and find the best ones for you. It will scour the internet for the best flight and accommodation deals, taking into account your budget and preferences. Whether you prefer luxury hotels or budget-friendly hostels, the AI has got you covered. It will then curate a personalized itinerary, suggesting must-visit historical landmarks, hidden gems, and off-the-beaten-path locations that you might not find in a typical guidebook. Highly rated restaurants serving authentic Italian dishes, from cozy trattorias to Michelin-starred establishments, and even local cooking classes to satisfy your culinary curiosity. Imagine learning to make pasta from a local chef. The AI agent will present you with a detailed itinerary complete with interactive maps, estimated costs, and even weather forecasts. This ensures you're prepared for every aspect of your trip. If you're not happy with something, you can simply tell the agent to make changes, and it will adjust the plan accordingly. Flexibility is key to a perfect vacation. No more endless tabs, no more back and forth between websites, just a seamless and enjoyable planning experience. With AI, your dream trip to Italy is just a few clicks away. Section 5. The pros and cons of AI assistants. The benefits of using AI agents are undeniable. They can handle repetitive tasks, allowing us to focus on more creative and strategic work. This can lead to increased productivity and job satisfaction. They can save us an enormous amount of time and effort by automating tedious tasks and streamlining complex processes. From scheduling meetings to managing emails, AI assistants can handle it all with remarkable efficiency. They can also help us make better decisions by providing us with relevant information and insights that we might have otherwise missed. This can be particularly valuable in data-driven fields where timely and accurate information is crucial. However, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides as well. While AI can be incredibly useful, it is not infallible and can sometimes lead to unexpected issues. AI agents are still in their early stages of development, and they are not without their flaws. Developers are constantly working to improve these systems, but there is still a long way to go. They can sometimes make mistakes, misinterpret instructions, or come up with solutions that are technically correct but utterly nonsensical in the real world. These errors can be frustrating and sometimes even costly. For example, an AI agent tasked with ordering groceries might accidentally order 10 kilograms of onions instead of 1, simply because it misinterpreted a voice command. Such mistakes, while often minor, can be inconvenient and highlight the limitations of current AI technology. These are mostly harmless hiccups, but they highlight the need for human oversight and the importance of not blindly trusting AI agents with critical tasks. Ensuring that there is always a human in the loop can help mitigate these risks and make the use of AI more reliable and effective. Section 6. AI agents and the future of work. The rise of AI agents will undoubtedly have a significant impact on the future of work. As we move forward, the integration of AI into various sectors is expected to revolutionize how we approach our daily tasks and responsibilities. Some experts predict that AI agents will automate many existing jobs, leading to widespread unemployment. This concern is particularly prevalent in industries that rely heavily on repetitive and manual tasks where machines can easily outperform humans in terms of efficiency and accuracy. However, others argue that AI agents will create new opportunities in industries that we can't even imagine yet. The potential for innovation is vast, and with AI taking over mundane tasks, humans can focus on more complex and innovative endeavors. Instead of replacing humans entirely, AI agents are more likely to augment our capabilities, allowing us to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling tasks. This symbiotic relationship between humans and AI could lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and job satisfaction. For instance, doctors could use AI agents to analyze medical images and assist with diagnoses, freeing up their time to interact with patients and provide personalized care. This collaboration could lead to more accurate diagnoses and better patient outcomes. The key to successfully navigating this transition will be to adapt our skills and embrace lifelong learning. As technology evolves, so must our skill sets, ensuring that we remain competitive in an ever-changing job market. By focusing on developing uniquely human skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, we can ensure that we remain relevant and thrive in an AI-powered world. These skills will be invaluable in roles that require human touch and ingenuity, areas where AI cannot easily replace us. Section 7. The military is watching and investing. It's no secret that the military is heavily invested in AI research and development. The potential applications of autonomous AI agents in the military domain are vast, ranging from reconnaissance and surveillance to logistics and even combat operations. The use of AI agents in warfare raises significant ethical concerns, as it has the potential to make conflicts more deadly and less predictable. There is also the risk of AI agents being hacked or malfunctioning, leading to unintended consequences. It is crucial that we have open and honest discussions about the ethical implications of AI agents, especially in sensitive areas like the military. International agreements and regulations will be essential to ensure that these powerful technologies are developed and used responsibly. Section 8. Try out your own AI agent. You don't need to be a tech whiz or have access to top-secret labs to experiment with AI agents. Several user-friendly tools and platforms make it easy for anyone to create and interact with their own AI agents. One such platform is N8N, an open-source workflow automation tool. N8N allows you to connect different apps and services and create automated workflows that can be triggered by specific events. For example, you could create a workflow that automatically saves email attachments to your Dropbox folder, or sends you a notification when a new video is uploaded to your favorite YouTube channel. By experimenting with tools like N8N, you can get a first-hand look at the power of AI agents and start to imagine how they can be used to simplify your life and automate your work. Section 9. The future is intelligent and autonomous. Autonomous AI agents are still in their infancy, but they have the potential to revolutionize our world in ways we are only beginning to grasp. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect AI agents to become even more capable, versatile, and integrated into our daily lives. Imagine a future where AI agents manage our homes, optimize our energy consumption, personalize our education, and even provide companionship. The possibilities are truly limitless. As we venture into this uncharted territory, it's up to us to shape the future of AI and ensure that it aligns with our values and aspirations. What will you do with your AI assistant?